Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Lego Excavator. So far we left off right here. Next we're going to take some 1x2s. And we're just going to take any piece you need and just start filling this middle part in. You still want to leave this part down. So now it should look like this. And this you need to have on the right side of it because the crane you want the arm of the part to be on the right side of it, the arm of the excavator you want to be on the right side because that's usually what it is. Next you're going to take a 1x8 and you're going to cover this part. Second. I'm going to cover it like that. Next you're going to take some 1x4 and you're just going to place it right there. And same thing with the other side. And then you're just going to want to fill the rest of this in using whatever pieces you need. So now we should have something that looks like this. Next you're going to need to take 3 windows, should be this size, 4 studs going across. And what we're going to do is put one of the windows where this part, the part that's sticking out will be on the outside, and just going to place it right here. This is not the side of the part that's sticking out. We're going to place it right here. We take another window, again facing outward. I'm going to put it on the front. We're going to take a third window and we're going to place it right here. So what there would be is 2 studs that would be uncovered. So it should look like this. Next you're going to need to take 6 1x3s and attach 3 of them together stacked. Yeah, did I say 1x3s? You need 3 1x1s. So you're going to attach them together stacked. Yeah, this is getting confusing. 6 1x1s, so you're going to have 2 of those. And so you're just going to place them right in where these gaps are, here and here. So you're going to place one here and the other one right here. Next, we're going to cover this part. You need some flat pieces. I have a 2x6. I'm just going to cover it. And I also have a 4x8. You can take actually some 2x6, some 2x6 flats, and you're just going to cover the window up, the top part of this. There we go. I'm just going to keep on covering it. And again, you'll do that one more time. You're going to need and then you're going to need a 1x2 flat. And there should be a part right here that's not covered up. You're just going to stick that right there. So it should look like that. You take the 1x8. Okay, I'm going to have to go into part 4 because my dogs are starting to bark. So, yeah, and this video is about out of time, so see ya.